Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. We do appreciate you coming along with us today. Today we're back out at SilverLeaf, specifically Silver Meadows by Lennar. Great new community, just in the early stages. I want to give you guys a good look-see and kind of explain to you what's going on here and what kind of homes are going to be here. So come on, let's go check it out. All right gang, before we get in the truck and head into Silver Meadows, kind of want to show you kind of where we're at. This is Silver Lake Drive. It comes off of St. John's Parkway right down there just a little bit and circles on around to our left and heads out into other communities. But right across the street from the entrance to Silver Meadows here at Silver Falls Boulevard and Silver Lake Drive is where the town, this is gonna be like the backside, I believe, of the town center space, which is gonna have a Target, retail shopping, some other living spaces, I believe, retail, all kind of cool stuff. So you're not gonna be very far away from all that and the main amenity, one of the first amenities is right across the traffic light down there off of St. John's Parkway. So anyway, so I want to show you that. Let's get in the truck and get going. All right, gang, as we make our way into Silver Meadows, we do appreciate you coming along today. We're always honored and blessed to give you great information. I know I say that a lot, but we truly mean it. We really care about the folks we help. We want to learn as much as we can so that we can do the best job for you guys. But anyway, Silver Meadows, Lennar community, as you know. There's going to be 15 different floor plans in Silver Meadows, ranging from 1875, that's a Kate, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, all the way up to a Kingsley 3, which is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage, 3,381 square feet. It's going to be huge. I think there might be one in here already. So, but anyway, we're in the kind of the first phase of the community, first and second-ish phases of the community. Okay, so they got a long way to go. There's going to be approximately between Silver Meadows and Silver Falls, there's going to be, which are kind of connected, will eventually be connected communities right next to each other, both Lennar, be about 1,000 homes. It's going to be huge. All right, so Silver Meadows is about half of that, and they have villa homes, which you'll see. We got those villas shot this morning for you guys, the Topaz and the Sienna. And they also have 50s and 60s lots. All right, so they got some pretty good sized lots in here and a lot of different variety. So it's really kind of a cool place. I'm going to show you guys just some finished streets, and then I'm going to show you where the future building is going to go and how massive it is. All right, so plenty of opportunity. They've got some folks already have closed and moved in, but they have a ton of inventory homes from single families and also the villas as well. So pretty cool. You can see it here. You got the red sold signs on the left, and then you blue available signs as well. So lots going on. These are all part of the Royal Collection, which is one of Lennar's collections and part of the Everything Included series. And that includes elevated toilets, LED lights, glassed front doors, paver driveways and lanais, screen lanais. So lots and lots of cool features that Lennar's putting in their homes. Right up here, this is really one of the biggest things I want to show you. You can see a lot of different homes in the community before we make it out to where they're doing all the new land clearing. But in the middle of everything, they have the villa homes incorporated into the single family. Like over here on our right, if you see the two white buildings, right over here, you see where I'm pointing right in there. Those are 2 villa homes. I'm going to kind of pull in a little bit for you guys so you can kind of see that you really can't, unless you're really looking for it, you really can't tell as you're driving down the street that these are actually connected homes right there. So they've done a great job incorporating those. Pretty impressed. And then the Topaz, I really like the Topaz. It really lives and looks and feels like a single family home, and they are single family, but they're just connected, right? So anyway, lots of cool stuff going on here at Silver Meadows. I'll let you look at the rest of the streetscape, and then we're going to get out to where I'll show you how massive this community is actually going to be. Now, Silver Falls, which is the other half of this equation, if you will, not a lot going on there right now. They've got a couple townhome buildings put up, no models, so we'll have to do those another day. But those are going to be 40s and 50s, as well as townhomes, where Silver Meadows is 50s and 60s, and villas. Okay, so very nice. So let's get out there to where all the new land clearing is going on, so you can see how massive this space is going to be. All right, gang, where we came, this is where we turned to see on Simonson Run. Well, that was a tongue twister. That's where we turned to see the full street that was kind of completed. But this is where they're way in the back here, where they're doing a bunch of land clearing. No, not land clearing, actually. They've got streets set up and they're preparing the infrastructure back here. So they got those yellow lines are gas lines. You got reclaimed water, the purple, pinkish purple lines. So there is a whole ton of stuff. These are all potential, or not potential, but will be home sites. There's a couple foundations right there. So there's gonna be a lot of opportunity here in Silver Meadows, and of course Silver Falls as well. And what I'm gonna do right here at the tail end of the video, guys, look at all these. These are just a massive amount of homes that are gonna be in here. Oh my Lord. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to Silver Falls and show you guys just a tick of that. There's not a lot to show you, but I'll put it on the tail end of this video as well. So, all right, gang, a little bonus footage as we enter into Silver Falls. Again, it's not near as far along as Silver Meadows. I believe they've had to wait on meters, water meters and electric meters from the city. So that's slowed them down. Although things in here are for sale, just like everywhere else. The townhomes, the single families, there's definitely for sale, homes for sale in here. So you might have to wait a little longer, but they're definitely for sale. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of go into the, hopefully you don't hear a little squeaking, my camera's squeaking a little bit, sitting in the mount on the windshield. Anyway, enough of that. We are in the townhome section. No models to look at yet. There will be multiple floor plans. We've got to fill you guys in. I'll try to get all that information and put it in the video. If nothing else, just by the name, and then you can look up different floor plans and stuff. But anyway, so townhome section right here along Silver Lake Drive. Let me get turned around and we'll go check out the single family side and show you where all the buildings going. All right, gang, let's go take a look at the single family side. Again, Silver Falls is 40s and 50s. Again, probably right around the neighborhood of 500 homes when it's done. If you hear a little squeaking in the video, I apologize. I think my mount's squeaking a little bit up on the windshield, so I apologize for that today. No model home up in here yet. I will get a whole dissertation of which plans they're building in Silver Falls, and then you guys will know. So we'll have some of those plans and models filmed here in the near future. So hopefully you guys are looking forward to that, because I am. So let's, again, they've had meter issues, getting them all set up in here. So, but there are some sold ones in here. You see all these red ones on the left, those are all sold. So pretty cool. So you can still buy homes in here, so you just have to wait a little extra time to get to move into it. So again, when they get all this, when they get this all really fired up, we'll come back in and do a full video of the falls here. But there's some more solds there. Very nice. You got a big one on the right hand side. I don't know what that one is. I'll have to find out. It might be a Princeton. But plenty of opportunity now and in the future for sure. Because look at all these home sites back here. Holy cow! Pretty amazing. All right, so we'll do Silver Falls here another day, and we'll get a really good video for you guys, all right? All right, gang, that was Silver Meadows and a little bit of Silver Falls. We'll get you a full-blown Silver Falls here maybe in a few weeks when they get the meters in, and we can get into the model and do all that sort of stuff for you guys. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. We appreciate being able to do them for you. Give us a call if we can help you. We'll take great care of you, I promise. And I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.